Hi there, this is Mary Beth Angelelli. Welcome back. Today I just want to give you a quick guided tour of the back office of multiple income funnel. And then I'm going to show you a little bit of proof that this amazing funnel is really working very well, and I'm just getting started with this. This funnel is brand new. This is 2021. So if you're looking for a simple funnel system where you can start to create multiple income streams and earn both residual income and instant pay commissions, 100% commissions, then folks, you're definitely in the right place at the right time. So stay tuned. I've got some very exciting information to share with you. So without further ado, let's get into it. I'm going to go ahead and log in by going to multipleincomefunnel.com, and I will just simply put my username right here and my password, and then we will be inside. Okay, and I'm just going to go ahead and show you this here and give you a very quick guided tour of this awesome funnel by Mack Mills. Many of you probably know by now who Mack Mills is. Okay, so it's very simple, a simple guided step-by-step setup. There's 4 simple steps. Okay, the first step is once you get back here, you just simply watch this first video right here. Okay, and then you set up your income streams. Right now there are 4 income streams within the multiple income funnel. Okay, so step 2, once you watch that video, you go here and you set up income stream number 1, which is the multiple income funnel. This is your residual income that you can build every single month. And by the way, folks, it only costs $49 per month to get started. So all you need to get started is only $49. That enables you and places you in a position to receive unlimited $20 residual commission payments for every person that signs up with you with just the funnel system and remains active each and every month. Okay? Now, of course, if you want to increase cash flow, then, I strongly and highly encourage you to add the additional income streams as you go. And you can just do that, as your resources permit. Now, what you'll want to do is once you go through income stream number 1, the multiple income funnel, you watch the video, you set that up. That is income stream number 1. That's your residual income. Again, it only costs you $49. So that'll be $49 recurring monthly, and that enables you to earn unlimited $20 residual pay commissions each and every month on all active multiple income funnel members of yours, okay, within your downline. Then we move on to income stream number 2, which is Easy One Up. This is a program that is very solid. It's been around for well over 5 years, and the creator of that program is Peter Wolfing. Okay, many of you probably by now know who Peter Wolfing is. Okay, he's definitely a seasoned veteran in this industry, and there, I believe, are 6 different levels and product packages within Easy One Up, starting at $25. Now, if you're looking at Easy One Up, I would highly encourage you to try to come in at least start off with the $100 level. Okay, so there's a 25, there's a 100, a 250, a 500, and then 1,000 and 2,000. And this is instant pay commissions. It pays out 100% commissions. Okay, so whatever level you come in at, you will be able to be in a position to earn 100% commissions. And of course, you can scale up and upgrade at any time. So there's plenty of room for growth, scalability, and leverage within this entire multiple income funnel system. Moving on to income stream number 3, which is TechSpot. So you'll watch this video. Each one of these income stream 1, 2, and now 3 has their own video. So you watch the video and then you go and you set it up. And all you have to do, if perhaps you're already a member of Easy One Up or TechSpot, what you're going to do to set it up is you're just simply watching the video, and then you're going to go and plug in your username of Easy One Up, save it, go in and plug in your username for TechSpot and save it. It's really easy, and that's how easy the setup is for those. Okay, so income stream number 3 is TechSpot AI. And by the way, I am a member of Easy One Up, which I have been for quite a while now, and I'm also a member of TechSpot. which I have been for quite a while now too. Okay, so you watch this video, you go here, you set that up, just simply plugging in your username. It's really, easy peasy, as easy as 1, 2, 3, literally. Okay, and anybody can do this. And then income number 4 is traffic authority. That's an optional traffic package that you can purchase and send traffic to your multiple income funnel, and you can also become a reseller of traffic authority and earn commissions. Okay, so that is an option that is built in for you as well. So everything is here, one-stop shop that you need to be successful with your multiple income funnel. Now, step 3 is setting up your e-wallet, and that's how we get paid within multiple income funnel, the residual component of this entire funnel system through e-wallet. And there's a step-by-step video to show you exactly how to do that. Now with Easy One Up, you decide how you want to get paid and you set that up in your back office of your Easy One Up, okay? The same is applicable to TextBot. You'll get paid however you want, and you'll set up your preferred payment options in your back office of TextBot. E-wallet is just for income stream number 1, the multiple income funnel, okay? And by the way, TextBot has 2 options as well. You can get started for $100, and that's for the next 5 or 6 days. After that, the price will be going up to a total of $150, $100 plus a $50 yearly. Okay, so that'll be $150 in approximately 5 to 6 days. So if you're looking at this, I'm creating this video in the early AM hours of Sunday, January the 3rd. Okay, so you have a little bit of time left, but you don't want to delay. And then there's also an upgraded version of TextBot Ava Plus, which is $500. Okay, so there's again plenty of room for growth and leverage and scalability and all that. So really, ideally, to get started, you only need $49, and then you'll be rebilled each and every month. And then as you go, if you're already a member of the Easy One Up, the TextBot, you can use this awesome funnel and just add your usernames in. If you are not a member of either one of those or either of those, then you can add them as you go as soon as you're ready and your resources allow you. Okay, so there's lots and lots of options. So that is basically that. And then you go up here, you start here, you just follow along and you set this up. You go step by step until each and every step is completed, and it's very, very easy. Mac does an awesome job of tour guiding you through the entire setup process of this entire funnel system, all 4 steps. Okay, you just follow all 4 steps and you're good to go. And step 4, he has, after you go through this, where you watch this video, you set up all your income streams, you set up your e-wallet so that you can get paid through this funnel. And step 4 is the back office tour, and you watch this, okay? And it's a little under 10 minutes long, okay? Well worth every single minute. And then, you start promoting. Now, to do that, you will go right up here and you will find all of your links. Mac has all of these funnels already set up for you. They are very, very automated. So they work for you 24/7, 365. They do all the telling, all the selling, and all the explaining for you, even while you're sleeping. So you don't have to speak to anybody unless, of course, you want to. Now, there's 3 different options for lead capture page, and Mac has done an awesome job of creating these, and you can use them as is. Just select, lead capture page 1 or lead capture page 2 or lead capture page 3. There's 3 right now. They have built-in autoresponders, so no need to use a third-party autoresponder unless, of course, you want to create your own lead capture page and redirect it to a autoresponder if you're perhaps a subscriber of or a member of, for example, let's say GetResponse or Aweber, that's another option. But you don't have to create your own lead capture page, only if you want to and if you're experienced doing such, and if you already have GetResponse or Aweber and you want a list build. Okay, that's also a secondary option, but not a requirement because everything is already done for you, set up, so there's no need to build out lead capture pages unless that's something that you wish to do. But right now there's 3 awesome options and 2 amazing video sales letters, which are the sales pages. So you can select either this one here or this one here with no timer. And you can split test these. I mean, you don't have to once you do this, you can change these out. You could start, with this one, test it out, see how it fares with your traffic sources. And if you want to, you can switch it out and, you can promote this one or this one, whatever you want to do. So there's lots and lots of flexibility here, and you can redirect to this VSL or this one right here. Alrighty. Now traffic. Again, the traffic is all built in through Traffic Authority. That's an option, not a requirement. If you want to use Traffic Authority, which Mac highly recommends, then you can go ahead and get set up. And then you can also become a reseller and earn commissions. Alrighty. And then this is where you will be able to see your team as you're building out your team. For managing your team right here, you can see how many active team members you have. Here's where you can see all of your active leads that your system is collecting for you. And Mac also has this set up with pre-written follow-up emails that go out. Very high response, very well written, and they convert very, very well. Okay. And then here's the leaderboard. Here are the resources right here. So in addition to these email swipes that you can just literally copy, paste, and swipe and deploy. If you have an email list, you can send these out. He has email 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so almost a week's worth of follow-up on 7. So there is actually a week's worth of follow-up emails. And then once you've sent those out, you can just literally wash, rinse, and repeat, and resend them out each and every week. And if you want to change them up a little bit, put your own personal spin, your own personal touch into these, you certainly can do that. So there's lots and lots of flexibility here. So you have an email to send out every single day if you have an email list. And if you don't worry about it. We're just beginning a brand new year, folks. No better time than to start list building than the start of a brand new year. Okay, so that's email swipes. Then we have web banners, and you can use these. Okay, to your liking. Lots of options. Wonderful banners. Just literally copy and paste the banner code, and then you can utilize these. Here's social media images that you can use. For example, Facebook. Okay, if you would like to. These are some awesome social media images that Mac has ready and waiting for your marketing. And then last but not least, we have Facebook posts. Here's one that you can literally just copy and paste and post right on your Facebook timeline. Okay, so we've got lots and lots of options here, folks. And I just want to thank you so much for tuning in. And in closing, I'm just going to show you a little bit of proof that I had posted up yesterday on my Facebook. And I am just getting started, folks. And I'll show you some proof that this works from income streams number 1, 2, and 3. So let's go right here. Here was the post that I put up yesterday on my Facebook page. And this is me right here, Mary Beth Angelelli. All right. So coming down here. In closing, I just want to share with you, here is income stream number 1. Okay, this is the multiple income stream. I'm sorry, multiple income funnel. Okay, so far I have earned $340 with income stream number 1, multiple income funnel. And this is going to allow me to collect those wonderful monthly residual recurring payments. Okay, and let's go back here. So that was income stream number 1. Now income stream number 2 is easy one up. And I had a Vertex Elite, okay, commission from income stream number 2. This is $500 right here. Income stream number 2, okay, that's 100% commissions. And then I had 2 signups, $100 each from income stream number 3, okay. So here was one of them right here, $100 Cash App, alrighty. And going back here, I had another payment, another Cash App for $100 from income stream number 3. So as you can see, this is working out very, very nicely. It's only the very early AM hours of Sunday, January the 3rd. And yesterday was an awesome day, folks, okay, with the multiple income funnel. So again, more proof of concept that this amazing funnel is working, and we're just getting started, folks. So if this is something that you are interested in, go ahead. I will put the link below this video, the link to the funnel, my direct link to multiple income funnel so that you can go ahead and sign up, and I'll put my direct link to income stream number 2 as well as income stream number 3 so that you can just go there and sign up if that's what you wish to do. And if you're not ready to do so quite yet, then there's somebody, see folks, they're obviously probably wanting some information. They're congratulating me on my text box sales. So this is super, super exciting. You've seen that, live in the moment. So, lots of people interact with me on Facebook. Facebook is a great way to get highly targeted, free organic traffic and leads, in addition to YouTube, okay? And he wants to know where he can get one of these. So I'll be responding back to this gentleman here as soon as I conclude this video. But anyways, folks, thank you so much for spending the last 15 minutes with me. This went a little bit longer than I anticipated, but I wanted to get this information in, just share with you the guided back office tour and some proof of concept that this amazing funnel is working very, very well. Okay, so thank you so much. My contact information is below. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. Text or call me. That is by far the best way. I'll put my contact phone number, my cell below, and my direct links to everything that I just shared with you so that you can get started when you are ready. All right. Thank you so much. I'll be back at you very soon. Make it a great day, folks, and stay safe out there. Be inspired, be blessed, and I'll see you very, very soon, hopefully on the inside of the multiple income funnel system. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.